we need to find the value of x. Now let us begin. So what we'll do here, we have two logarithms added to each other on the left hand side. We can combine them by using the property of logarithm. That is, if we have a log of a added to log of b, so that's equivalent to log of a multiplied to b. So let's use this property. We will get log of x plus 3 multiplied to x minus 3. So that's equals to log of 27, or simply log of x squared minus 9. So that's equals to log of 27. So here what we have two logarithms, each of them having a base of 10. So that means we can equate both sides to get rid of the logarithm to get x squared minus 9 equals to 27, which gives us x squared equals to 36. Taking the square root on both sides gives us x equals to plus or minus 6. Now x can take only a value 6. This is going to be the solution to our logarithmic equation. X cannot be equals to negative 6. The only reason being, whenever we have log of x, so this is going to be defined for values of x greater than 0 only. So if we have x less than or equals to 0, then in that case logarithm function will be simply undefined. So this is the only possible value of x which is going to satisfy the given logarithmic equation.